Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. Today I am with my sister Reese and we've decided to do our nails all Christmassy together. I've also had you guys ask us some questions that we are going to answer while we do it. Let's just get started with the video. So we both got these stick-on nail kits. They're from Dashing Diva Gloss. I love these nail kits. I have a couple of them from this place, and so we're going to do them today. Whenever I do normal nail polish, it just comes off right away, so I like these a lot because they stay on and they're really cute. I think we're going to do just Reese's kit today. I'm going to do the Santa and she's going to do the reindeer, and then we're both going to do these parts. We're going to open the kit right now. This is what it looks like once we open it. This little part comes out and it comes with like an instructions manual and then a nail filer. And then it also comes with the actual stick-on nails. There are 3 sets of accent nails and then there's 2 sets of the normal nails. So we're just going to get started. Reese has never used these before. I've used them a couple times, so I'm just going to show her how. So you're just going to pick off the one that's going to fit. For me, that's going to be the very biggest size probably. For Reese, that will probably be a smaller one. So we are just going to peel it off and then place it on our finger. And do your best to get it perfect the first time, because every time you have to re-peel it, the more likely it'll fall off. Once it is on, it'll look like this. And obviously my nail is not that long, so you're going to take the filer and you're just going to bend this, and then on the filing side, so for that one, that's the white side, you're just going to file off the part that you don't need, and then you'll smooth it out. So now that Reese knows how to do it, we're just going to go through it while answering some questions for you guys. Does Reese want a channel when she turns 12?
Yes, probably. I think it seems like really fun for Hope, making all these videos and seeing what you guys say, so I probably will want a channel.
Do we fight a lot? Not really. Like, we have our fights because she's definitely a very annoying person, not easy to get along with. I'm kidding. But yeah, we do fight, but not like very often.
And if it's like a fight, it's not really about anything that really matters.
How are you dealing with quarantine? We're not really like in quarantine right now. Like, we're going to school and we have sports, but we still have to like wear masks and we don't hang out with friends nearly as much as we used to. Like, I'm lucky if I get to have one friend over on the weekend. Neither of us really get to have any sleepovers anymore, which makes me really sad. We're in a much better situation than some other people, so we're really lucky for that. Everybody's asking you if you're going to start a channel. Do we have any family holiday traditions?
Yes. The first thing we do is we make something called tearing. It's like this family recipe.
It's like cinnamon rolls, but way better, like cream cheese frosting. It's made from scratch. It takes like 5 hours to make, but it's so good, especially when you heat it up. Who's the smartest?
It's not that I'm dumb, it's just that she's really
no,
smart.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What type of YouTubers do you like?
I like gamers, I guess, like Among Us and Minecraft, and that's, you.
Thank you.
And that's about it.
Okay, so I like lifestyle YouTubers. Some of my favorite YouTubers are Annie Long, Caroline Manning. Pretty much the type of videos I make are the videos I like to watch. When you have your own channel, if you don't enjoy watching your own videos, then people are going to be able to tell that you don't enjoy your channel. So you should enjoy the type of videos you make, otherwise it's just not fun to do it.
Is Reese awesome? Yes.
What is our age difference? I am 2 years and around 3 months older. Her birthday is January 20th, 2010. My birthday is October 26th, 2007. Okay, so this isn't a question, but I just thought this was so sweet. Me and my little sis love you so much. We plan on watching this together. That is so sweet. Hi, Camille. I love you too. Do you guys go to each other for problems you have? It depends. Yeah. Obviously, I'm older, so I don't share like all of my problems with her.
I guess I kind of come to her with some problems, but it's not like...
I feel like you come to me with a lot of your problems. Like girls in her grade that are kind of like causing some drama with her, or boys in her grade that are annoying. Do we have chores and do we earn an allowance? Yeah, yes. We have chores. We have to vacuum, dishwasher, every every day after dinner, it's our job to clean up, and then we make an allowance. Would y'all consider a family channel?
I don't feel like
Probably not, just because it's already so much work to do this channel. And if we did a family channel, it would really just be like a sister channel because my parents wouldn't be super invested in it. And this channel's already a lot of, and my channel's already a lot of work, so probably not.
I feel like her family vlogs are like,
My travel vlogs are probably like the closest you'll get to those videos. Do you prefer online school or face-to-face school? For me, it's definitely face-to-face school, although during online school, I was getting so much done. I was so productive then. And like in the summer, once school starts, I just don't have enough time to get everything done that I want to get done.
pretty much that for me. I like seeing my friends, and it's a lot easier for me to learn face to face rather than like on my iPad just at home and when I just woke up.
Although last year, online school isn't nearly as bad. Like I only had one Zoom class a day. This year, I would have like 5 a day, so it would definitely be a lot harder, and they would be longer, and I'd have more work. Last year, it was the end of the year, and nobody was really ready for it, so they didn't give us tons of work. But this year, it would definitely be a lot harder. Do you play any sports, Reese?
I do gymnastics and dance.
And she's also going to start doing basketball next year, which I'm excited about. I've
and
been coaching
volleyball.
Her. You're doing volleyball too?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Did you think it was weird that I wanted to start a YouTube channel?
No, I feel like that just sounds like something that you would want to do. Just start a YouTube channel.
Who's your favorite singer? And what's your favorite song?
I don't really have a favorite singer, and I don't know really what my favorite song is.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is something called Miracles from Heaven.
What was our biggest fight? We've never had any giant fights. I mean, yes, Reese definitely gets on my nerves sometimes.
Same with you.
But, I mean, we've never had any giant fights. Does Reese have a boyfriend?
No.
Okay, so those are all of the main questions. We are done with our nails. Here are what mine look like. I have all the Santa, and then with his little bell, and I have some snowflakes. Reese. Okay, then Reese has Rudolph, and then she has some fun stripes and then some snowflakes. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a video. Thank you so much, Reese, for being in my video with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!